A GCKey lets you securely access the Government of Canada's online services. It includes a username and a password that you choose. You also must create security questions. This keeps your data secure and lets you recover your account. Let's create GCKey account. I'm going to link this page or this URL below. Sign into your IRCC secure account. Your account lets you start an application, submit and pay for your application, get messages related to your application, check the status of your application and update your information. So since we do not have yet a GCKey account, let's register. And here on the next page is you're going to see the step-by-step on how to register with GCKey account. And then click register with GCKey. Since we do not have yet an account, so we cannot sign in, let's go over here, sign up, accept the terms and condition, create an account. Okay, so you can see this username checklist as your guide. Let's continue if it will let us go through. Okay, and create the password. Just try again. Continue. And create your recovery questions, answers, and hints. So select a recovery question. First pet's name. Okay, let's say first pet's name is pet. My memorable person is, let's say, boyfriend. My memorable person hint is male. Memorable date, let's say it's January 1, 2001. Oh, it's wrong. It's supposed to be from year 2001, January 1. Memorable date. Oh, first date. Okay. See if we can able to memorize all of them. Let's click continue. So let's put on the email address. Okay. Continue. Okay. We have sent a confirmation code to this address. Now I have the verification code. Key it in the confirmation code and then click continue. So email recovery completed, and please select continue so we can get inside our GCKey account. Let's log in. Click sign in with GCKey account. Okay, let's minimize. I accept. So create an account. Enter the following information that it appears on your passport. So let's say what I have in my passport is, that's my given name, my email address, preferred language is English, continue. So again, there will be security questions along the way. So security question, favorite color, my favorite color is white. Next color, my favorite food is rice. My favorite day is my birthday. What else? Favorite person is my dad. These are just example. You can create your own security questions, and let's continue. So from here, you can see that you were able to create already a GCKey account. And when you are going to apply for your study permit, you can see down below here, apply to come to Canada. Okay, so you can explore whatever the information that you can see from here. Just read it through. Thank you. Uploading files in GCKey account. First, make sure you know the file size limit for the online application you use. Depending on what you're applying for, the limit can be as low as 2 MB. So there are different formats that are acceptable in uploading. We have the PDF, JPEG, TIFF, and PNG, DOC or the doc type format. Here are some tips for reducing the overall size of your file. For the PDF format, save as a PDF again, but select the lowest file size option available in the software you're using to create a PDF. For instance, in Microsoft Word, there is an optimize for panel to the left of the Save button. Select the minimize size to get a reduced file size with clear text and images. Reduce the image size if you have access to photo editing by saving your images at a lower resolution such as 96 dpi or 150 can greatly reduce image size file. File size and image options are usually found under the advanced setting menu of the software. And you can also remove all unnecessary images in your file. For the JPEG formatting, you can scan your document at a lower resolution such as 96 dpi. If you don't have a scanner, take a photo of yourself from your cell phone and choose a smaller image size. Use the crop feature to remove all empty space around the image. Reduce the image size option are usually found under the advanced setting menu of the software. And also you can reduce the JPEG image quality if you have access to photo editing software. As for the TIFF and PNG format, scan your document at a lower resolution, like 96 dpi. If you don't have a scanner, take a photo with your cell phone and choose a smaller image size. Use the crop feature to remove all empty space around the image. Reduce the image size. Options are usually found under the advanced setting menu of the software. Save the file in JPEG format instead. And then the last one, we have the doc type format. Remove unnecessary images, formatting, and macros in your Word document. Save the file as a recent Word version. Reduce the image size before you add them to your Word document. If you have access to photo editing software, saving your images at a lower resolution can greatly reduce image file size. File size and image options can usually be found under Advanced Setting menu of the software. If your file is still too large, save the file as a PDF. When you save as PDF, use the Optimize for panel to the left of the Save button. Select Minimize Size to get a reduced file size with clear text and images. When you submitted an application, you want to view the messages that are in your account. So first, you have to log in into your GCKey account, and then you can see the submitted application. On the right side, on the column of the action, you can see that box check, status, and messages. So you just have to click that, and you will go to a different page, which is down below. So application messages, you can see all those correspondences from IRCC. I hope you find the content of this video useful. Kindly subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks be to God. Have a nice one.